Hey, David, long time no see. How have you been?
Hey Twinkle, I know, it's been a while. I've been good, just busy with work. What about you?
Same here. Work has been keeping me occupied, but I finally found some time to relax this weekend.
That's good. Have you been reading anything interesting lately?
Yes, I just finished a mystery novel. It was so good I couldn't put it down.
Nice. What's it called?
It has an amazing twist at the end. You should read it.
Oh, I've heard of that one. I love psychological thrillers. I'll definitely check it out.
You should. What about you? Reading anything lately?
You should. What about you? Reading anything lately?
I started Atomic Habits. It's about how small changes can lead to big results.
Oh, I've seen that book everywhere. Is it worth reading?
Definitely. It has a lot of practical tips for building good habits.
Sounds interesting. I might give it a try.
You should. By the way, I just tried this new Italian restaurant downtown. The pasta was amazing.
Ooh, I love Italian food. What's the name of the place?
It's called La Bella Vita. Their homemade pasta is so fresh.
That sounds delicious. Maybe we can go there together sometime.
Absolutely. Let's plan a dinner night.
That would be great. Speaking of food, do you cook much?
Sometimes, I like cooking, but I'm not very good at it.
Same. I try, but I always end up making a mess.
Haha. What's your go-to dish when you cook?
Probably stir fry. It's quick and easy. What about you?
Pasta. I just throw in some veggies and sauce, and it usually turns out fine.
That's a solid choice. Do you listen to music while cooking?
Always. It makes cooking more fun. Lately, I've been into jazz.
Oh, nice. I don't listen to jazz much, but I do love acoustic music.
Acoustic is great, especially on a relaxing evening.
Exactly. Do you play any instruments?
I play a little guitar, but I'm not very good.
That's awesome. I've always wanted to learn.
You should. It's really fun once you get the hang of it.
Maybe you can teach me sometime.
I'd love to.
That would be so fun. Oh, I almost forgot. Are you free this weekend?
Yeah. Why?
There's a music festival in the park. Wanna go?
That sounds amazing. What kind of music?
A mixed rock, indie, and some pop.
I'm in. Let's do it.
Awesome! I'll send you the details later.
Perfect. All right. I need to run, but let's catch up soon.
Definitely. Talk to you later.